I'll be playing GTA. So, we're playing San Andreas. Here, we're gonna do some missions. Let's go in here. So, I'm going to here, okay? Let's go. Oh, freak. Stop driving. Oh, freak.
Why is that a thing when you can just use your iPhone? Because that would be like painting the Mona Lisa with a crayon. Wow, this may be the year you don't fail miserably and crush mom and dad's phone. Thank you for the vote of confidence. Okay, that's it.
This is the best. Police! Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna go to the airport. Well, we're gonna be doing this. I know it doesn't sound like a good idea, but it's worth it. Ain't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? There you go. No. Oh, freak. Holy moly. There you go. So, we're going to be driving a jet. No. See that? Yeah, see that sharp turn? Oh, come on. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. That's what I call my ambulance. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay, we're gonna be driving a plane. Let's go. Let's do this. Okay. It's time to drop the jet. I'm out of here. I'm just going, I don't care. I'm a good driver at this plane, so don't drive me. We're driving over Los Santos. Let's do some tricks, boy. Let's do some tricks, boy. Let's do some tricks. Oh, let's do some good tricks. We're gonna be doing the side trick. Oh, no.
What did you just say, side check?
I said side trick.
I'm telling you, you know what that is.
Yeah, it's a plane that does a side trick.
Oh, I think you said side check.
Why? What does that mean?
I don't know, slang. For a girlfriend.
Chick?
Side check.
Oh. And Maddie's crying
Why?
because she's scared of the ants.
Honey, there's nothing to be scared of.
I'm just gonna crash this thing.
There's no ant. The ants can't do nothing. These ants don't even bite.
I'll be playing the Troll Face quest. Let's go. Let's see. Okay. Let's be playing.
You need to delete that YouTube video
Why?
because it has me.
I'm playing a game.
It has me crying on it.
It what?
It has me crying on it.
We're gonna play Roblox. Okay.
He'll delete. I'll delete it, okay? Or
No,
don't
just
post it on YouTube.
No,
survive
Andy.
and
Oh.
a 51.
No, delete it. Delete it.
Okay. So we're gonna be playing. No, what did I play? Did I? Oh my god. No. We're not playing this. We're gonna play. How about we play the? Let's play the Troll Face quest. Let's play that. Okay, where's the Troll Face quest? So let me go to App Store. No. Let's get Troll. No. Troll Face quest. This one. We're playing the first one. Right? So let's be playing it. Just so you know, I installed iOS 10, if that's okay. Troll Face quest, we're getting it. Okay. Play game. Tap. We're playing the Troll Face quest, people. The next level. Okay, what is this? This Troll Face quest is so hard. Okay, that was hint 5. Ah! Oh my god, how do I do this? Oh, come on! This sucks. Okay, wait. Yeah, I know how to do this. So, let's play some Trigger. This is the best game. Playing Trigger Fist, people. Where are these people at? See that? Look at that. I'm wrecking. Oh, freak! You gotta be kidding me. Had enough of this. It's time to use a big mama. I 4 kills. I'm winning. Okay. What should I do? I'm just gonna play some Roblox. Let me show you. I like this game, Clone Tycoon 2. Here's how to do a hack. All you gotta do, if you want to get it finished already, guys, don't tell anybody this, but it's a secret. It only goes out to you who are subscribing to me. Load game, you're gonna just press load game, select plot. Look, you get all the stuff already. See that? See that? You don't have to do anything. Look at that. Look at me. I'm so beautiful. Okay. There's Clone Tycoon. Oh, yep. That's it. What else should I show you? Oh, yeah, I have to fix something first. More. Yeah, I know, I gotta fix that. To green. No, how about we just turn this into regular? Like that, boy. Come on. There you go. There you go. No, why did I make it? Oh my god. Look at this car. There you go. Guys, just really quick if you want to join me in any. Okay. And that's it, guys, today. I'll be showing you something tomorrow. And this is done. So bye, guys.